Welcome, my dear students. I think you are all quite well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Your class activities has been closed from 17th March due to pandemic of coronavirus. That's why our government has arranged online class. Today, I am Abdul Ghaffur Ghazi, head teacher, Madhugram High School, Dumaya Khulna. I will take English for today, class 9-10, unit 6, lesson 2. Student, look at the picture. What do you see in the picture? Look at the flag and talk with your partner. What are the countries' names of these flags? Do you guess? There are 6 flags here. First Nepal, second Sri Lanka, third India, fourth Pakistan, fifth Bhutan, sixth Maldives. The student, they are our neighboring countries. The student, look at the following picture and guess who are and what their names are. What do Lasit Malinga, Murari Dharaman, Tharon, Kumar Sangaranga, Kumar Sanga, Kumar Sangakara. They are all Sri Lankan cricketers. Student, the flag is flying. So, today we will read about, do you guess what topic we will discuss today? Our neighbor Sri Lanka. The student, in this topic, what is our outcome? After reading this topic, we will able to read, comprehend and summarize text, ask and answer question, write a paragraph about some interesting place of country. The student, look at the picture and discuss with your friend. What do we say when we new person come to us? When any new person come to us, what we say? We usually say welcome. We usually say welcome. Greeting someone with welcome. But what do you know? But do you know what do Sri Lankan people say at this situation? Sri Lankan people say Augwan. Augwan. Augwan means may you have the gift of long life. Augwan means may you have the gift of long life. Student, model reading. Listen to the text attentively, then answer the question that has been given. Section A. Dear student, here we learn some vocabs and make sentence. Teardrop. Do you know the meaning of teardrop? Meaning teardrop water comes from eye in sorrow. A drop of water that comes from eye in sorrow. Next sentence with teardrop. The nickname of Sri Lankan is teardrops of India. The nickname of Sri Lanka is teardrop of India. Pearl. Do you know what is the meaning of pearl? Pearl is a hard object that grows in a shell. Pearl pearl is a hard object that grows in a shell. Make sentence with pearl. Can you make sentence with the word pearl? Princess Diana used to wear crown made of pearl. Princess Diana used to wear crown made of pearl. Spice. You see in the picture, there are some spice. Spice, a piece of dried seed, fruit, root, or bark. Spice make our curry delicious. Spice makes our curry delicious. Can you make sentence with the word spice? Spice makes our curry delicious. The student, let us see the tourist place in Sri Lanka. Anuradhapura. Anuradhapura. The ancient capital of Sri Lanka is called Anuradhapura. The ancient capital of Sri Lanka is called Anuradhapura. Anuradhapura. Bundala National Park. What is famous for Bundala National Park? Bundala National Park, the National Park of Sri Lanka, Sri Lankans leading destination for bird watcher. Bird watcher. The National Park of Sri Lanka is called Bundala National Park. Sri Lankans leading destination for bird watcher. Hikkadua. Do you know the Hikkadua? The meaning of Hikkadua? A little town of Sri Lanka famous for its bees and corals is called Hikkadua. Hikkadua, what is Hikkadua famous for? Hikkadua, a little town of Sri Lanka famous for its bees and corals. Dambla. Dambula. In the picture about Dambula. Sir indicate Dambula. The great potted cave temple complex of Sri Lanka, famous for the Rangini Dambula Global Stadium. Dambula biggest and greatest potted cave temple complex of Sri Lanka, famous for Rangini Dambula Global Stadium. The nickname of Sri Lanka. Do you know what is the nickname of Sri Lanka? There are three nicknames of Sri Lanka. Teardrop of India, Sharondip, Pearl of Indian Ocean. There are three nicknames of Sri Lanka. Land area of Sri Lanka. Sri Lanka measures about 415 kilometers from north to south. 415 kilometers from north to south. 22 kilometers, 200, 220 kilometers from east to west, and total land area of about 65,600 square kilometers. 220 kilometers from east to west, and total land area of about 65,600 square kilometers. Population of Sri Lanka. Do you guess the population of Sri Lanka? Talk your partner. What do you know about the Sri Lankan population? There are about 20 million people in Sri Lanka. There are about 20 million people in Sri Lanka. Look at the picture and guess who are they. Do you imagine who are they? They are there are 15 ethnic groups named the original inhabitants of Sri Lanka. There are about a fifth, a fifth ethnic group named Vedas. Original inhabitants of Sri Lanka people are called Vedas. The economy of Sri Lanka. In the picture we see tea, rubber, coconut, cinnamon, cardamom, clove. The economy of Sri Lanka: tea, rubber, coconut, cinnamon, cardamom, and clove. Dear student, look at the map, then write down the location and shape of Sri Lanka. Sri Lanka in the map look like a teardrop. Look like teardrop. Sri Lanka is located in the Indian Ocean, shaped like a teardrop. The student in the map we see the shaped location and shaped Sri Lanka like teardrop. Sri Lanka is located in India Ocean, shaped like a teardrop. Shaped like a teardrop. Dear student, you and you make a group and discuss and fill in the discuss with your group in your group and try to fill in the gaps without clues. Fill in the gaps with suitable word of your own based on information from the text. If we go to visit Sri Lanka, you will be dashed with a traditional greeting of one. Sri Lanka is an island country which is situated in the Indian Ocean. It is shaped like a dash. It is it is medium in size and population. Among all the ethnic groups, the Vedas are the dash inhabitants of the island. The ancient history of this land is dash in Ramayana. This island-like country attached many tables as well as the ancient miners and its still dash. The tourist of modern age by its enormous. The students solution number A. If you go to visit Sri Lanka, you will be welcomed with traditional greeting of one. Number A, welcomed. Number B, it is its shape is like a teardrop. Number B, teardrop. Number C, it is medium in size and population among all the ethnic groups. The Vedas are the original inhabitants of island. Number C, original. Number D, the ancient history of this land is presented in the Ramayana. D, presented. Number E, this island-like country attracted many travelers as well as the ancient mariners, and it still attracts the tourists of modern age by its enormous attacks. Number E, attacks. Dear student, now I am giving you some homework. Write a paragraph about the agriculture of Bangladesh. You will try to develop this paragraph with your own words more than 150 words. Thank you all students. Now today. See you again.